Welcome back, everybody, to update about Open that squeezed almost 40% last Friday. We're gonna discuss where the price will go from there. Before we go further, guys, remember our video here or our content are always for education purposes only, and of course, we will not provide any financial advice. And always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it. We have Open, guys, doing 39% last time, over half a billion worth of volume. This is madness. And of course, once we break the $3.60, we have the squeeze. Let me just show you when we did this update. We did it so many times for Open, guys, before even this squeeze. After the squeeze, we did update again. We said the $4.39 is the resistance profit taken. And before that, before this breakout, we have the $3.82. We said the breakout and resistant, and we said the $3.30 is the support. So we always do those updates, guys, on our Discord and Patreon. So if you don't know, the link in the comment section below to join our update before the squeeze, of course, and miss this kind of opportunity, because the opportunity was really early here around the $3.70 when we broke, and we went until the $5, almost 40, which is the current resistance right now for Open. So where we go from now, guys, we have a major resistance we almost tested last Friday around the 540. And now we might have a chance for a turning point and pullback, because we already jumped big time, guys, from the $3.44 from the market open until here. We did 50% in just one day. This is Open, guys, huge volatile stocks. Everybody watching Open for the Q2 earnings, of course, and everybody said the Open stock is above 40% right now since the Q2 earning. Even yeah, if you want to compare after the earnings, is totally 40%, but in just yesterday or Friday, we did 50%, guys. And now we should watch out for this breakout around the 540, because if we broke it, we're gonna have the $6.35 and $8. We're almost around the $10. How are we gonna confirm that? Of course, we should watch out for the $4.16 as a support bottom, because if we held this support, it means we're gonna continue higher for Open toward or over the $5.40. We're gonna discuss Open in depth on our Discord and Patreon first tomorrow in the pre-market, because we're gonna have a huge action for the market by tomorrow in pre-market. So join us, guys, in the link comment section below. And of course, you can join us as well on YouTube 30 minutes before the market open to discuss Open in depth and where the price will go from there. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.